All right. Good morning. Just out here checking on everything. Had a lot of wind last night. Once this weather slacks up, going around, cleaning up, mulching tree branches, all that good stuff. But so far, it's pretty much what we've gotten done. Yeah, that's where we stopped yesterday. All right. Let's see. This is what these are. Yeah, we got flowers and all that good stuff going on. We're gonna have to check on this tree. This tree look like it's gonna need a little help. Let's see. Got little orange trees. Another little orange tree. It's all about just leave it alone. Let it do what it do. Get a better root system. Once it get a better root system, it's on from there. Yeah. Go down the road right here. And let's see. And we got the little cut the branch thing. Mulch the branches. Yeah, it's a power and leaf vac chipper. Once I take it out the box, I'll show you, but that's what model it is from Lowe's. What's up, boy? Okay, got that junk. This the next group that got to get planted. No, they're not going over here. They're going somewhere else on the property, but we get it done. We'll get it done, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, we're in northern Florida, and the weather is gonna get ugly today. Then it's gonna go back right, and then it's supposed to rain again, and then hopefully we'll get some good old sunshine. I think I'm gonna trim some of these trees up. The funny thing about that tree in this corner, if you touch the leaves on that tree, they move, they curl up. Shocked me one day. So that tree will always be there. It's gonna live. We ain't never getting rid of that tree. It's different. Definitely different tree. Pretty pink, like cute shoe type stuff. Look like the little fluffy shoes women wear. Just came out here to get the garbage can and the mailbox. Amazon. Amazon. Yeah, just show y'all the outside of this thing. You got that barn. That sucker's getting a makeover. Remember that barn. When you start coming out here by the curb, wait, you got my back. You got my back. All right, get back up there in the yard. Get on back up there. Get. I ain't going nowhere. To get my trash can, y'all. Where your son at? Oh, here his ass come. What you been over there doing? Yeah, that's his son, y'all. Old puppy. He's just a little puppy, y'all. What you been eating, Papa? Yeah, it'll be a long walk on garbage day. But a lot of people want a lot of property. Be careful what you ask for now. Some people, before I get this thing really up and moving, no, I don't have no monetizations, no sponsors, no, none of that. This will make it official. I came into the YouTube game like this already. I'm ex-military, worked since I was in high school, work. Learned trades, learned electrical, plumbing, AC, computers, everything. Even airport operations. Me, I'm a jack of all trades, master of none, but I'm a beast when it comes to give me some paper. Yeah, I've lived a street life also. I've dabbled in that profession too. My mama didn't raise me like that. I knew better. Got out them streets. And hey, thank God I'm here to tell about it. You know, I know about up north, Ohio, all that. Yep, when I was in the military, I stepped through there also. They took care of me too. Pretty much everywhere I went. Kentucky took care of me, Germany, Korea, you know, even went to Saudi for the little war, you know. I didn't like war, you know, they didn't do nothing to me. I didn't see why I'm over there fixing to destroy their country. So, you know, people ask me if they call me, would I go to war? Once a soldier, always a soldier. My job is to defend this country against foreign and domestic. So hey, once a soldier, always a soldier. But yeah, this weather keeping me from getting to my boats. Okay, and here, y'all see what's in here. These are my dog feeders. Once I get the kennels set up, 50-pound bags of dog food. That's a battery in that box for the boat. We got other boat stuff on here getting thrown up here. Just can't wait for the weather to get right. And YouTube, y'all will be with me on the boat. We're gonna go see what's really out there. All right, just a little something quick, just show you, you know, the weather's pretty bad out here. know y'all hear the wind. This is what it sounds like on the beach. All this wind. But hey, we gotta let God do his work and get out of his way. And like Big Mama and them say, go sit down somewhere. Come on, pop up. Y'all ready to eat? Ready to eat? Boy, you ready to eat? Yeah, you like to eat, don't you? Where your son at? Ready to eat? Here he come. Yeah. Time to take that in to get it serviced. That's another thing too, ladies and gentlemen. Be careful what you ask for. Do your research on maintenance, all that. I'll let y'all in on it. One oil change for that Porsche is about $500 for an oil change. I can do it, yeah, but normally when I send it in, I want to make sure I keep a good record of that car. No, we're probably never going to sell that car. One of the kids are going to probably get that car. You know, if not, they're going to say, Daddy, I want a new car, and I'm a sucker for my girls, and I'm going to go get them a new car. But my life ain't always been like this, though. Ups and downs, struggles. Some people want to be rich. Trust me. I just turned 50 years old, and it feel like I'm just getting a breath of fresh air. Child support, all that. I went through all that, y'all. You know, all that. Just because you're going through stuff, hey, just try to get to tomorrow. It's always better tomorrow sometimes. Never worry about stuff you can't control. If you can't control it, don't worry about it. And be nice to everybody. Just be nice to everybody, y'all. For real. It's crazy out here. This is Manning Farms and Rottweilers, and signing off. Whew. I gotta clean up the pond. All right. You guys take it easy.